Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to change the date and time on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on General Management. Now from here, just tap on Date and Time. Now from here, just disable Automatic Date and Time. Now from here, you can set the date and time manually. Now for example, if you tap on set date, you can change the date manually, just like that. Now once you have changed the date manually, just tap on done. Now if you tap on set time, you can change the time manually, just like that. And once you have changed the time, just tap on done. Now, if you want to set the date and time automatically, just enable this toggle. And once you enable this option, your smartphone will automatically set the date and time. And this is how you can change the date and time on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.